Biological evolution is the change in inherited traits over successive generations in populations of organisms. Evolutionary modification of traits occurs when variation is introduced into a population by gene mutation or genetic recombination, or is removed by natural selection or genetic drift. Adaptation is a key evolutionary process in which the fitness of traits and species are adjusted by natural selection to become better suited for survival in specific ecological habitats. The environment acts to promote evolutionary change through changes in development, but little is known about the underlying mechanisms. One of the reasons is that there are only a few suitable model organisms that can shed light on this topic. A model organism is a species that is studied extensively with anticipation that the results can be applied to biological phenomena in general. Cave animals can serve as excellent models to study the relationships between the environment, evolution, adaptation, and development. Because of the relative simplicity of their habitat, troglomorphic cave-related traits, such as elongated appendages, lowered metabolism, specialized sensory systems, and loss of eyes and pigmentation have evolved as a response to the effects of perpetual darkness. Here, we describe the characid fish Astyanax mexicanus, one of the few model organisms that is available for studying the molecular, developmental, and genetic basis of evolution and adaptation. Biological evolution is traditionally studied in two aspects. First, paleontological records show astonishing changes in the composition of major taxonomic groups of animals and plants deposited in sedimentary rocks of various ages. Cowan, 2009, Valentine, 2004. Aquatic life forms give rise to the first terrestrial plants and animals. Amphibians lead to reptiles, including dinosaurs. Ferns lead to gymnosperms, and then to flowering plants. Extinction of most dinosaurs is followed by the spread of mammals and flying descendants of dinosaurs called birds. Second, Darwin's theory, augmented with statistical genetics, demonstrated that heritable changes may accumulate in populations and result in replacement of gene variants. Mayer, 2002.
This process drives microevolution, which helps species to improve their functions and adjust to changing environments.
But despite the importance of these two aspects of evolution, they do not capture the core of the macroevolutionary process, which is the increase of functional complexity of organisms. Function can be defined as a reproducible sequence of actions of organisms that satisfies specific needs or helps to achieve vital goals, e.g., capturing a resource or reproduction. Sharov, 2010. To be passed on from one generation to the next, functions must be encoded within the genome or other information carriers. The genome plays the role of intergeneration memory that ensures the preservation of various functions.